Best budget-friendly treadmills. Best budget-friendly treadmills. Your price range is critical attention while choosing a treadmill. However, it could be challenging to parent out which version presents you the most bang in your dollar. Treadmills offer a massive variety of functions that extensively impact the rate, but that doesn't suggest you'll make huge sacrifices while purchasing on finance. Number 1. NordicTrack Elite 700 Treadmill. The NordicTrack C700 treadmill is a less expensive home treadmill, in particular meant for walkers looking for the diffusion of exercising programming and the choice to alter the approach. The NordicTrack C700 treadmill is the totality of the business enterprise's lowest value options. Still, they have introduced the ability to attach an iFit subscription to allow for limitless exercising packages. In addition to this contribution, the NordicTrack C700 treadmill comes preloaded with 20 workout programs to hold you are progressing in the direction of your goals while finally entertained. However, the NordicTrack C700 treadmill additionally comes with a piece of slightly shorter music than maximum treadmills at 55, which may make it hard for taller trainees. Overall, the NordicTrack C700 treadmill is a low-cost option for trainees seeking out low-intensity, strolling dominant exercises. Number 2. OVICX Q2S Electric Folding Treadmill. The OVICX Q2S Folding Portable Treadmill is perfect if you're on a strict budget and want something that you may, without problems, stow away while you did the use of it. It's effortless in capability, even though it may be very visually appealing and offers a cutting-edge appearance and sense. Silkworm's slow rebound shock absorption technology reduces the joint's effect, namely, the knees. Not only that, but it provides you to muffle the sound so you can run on your coronary heart's content material without bothering neighbors or roommates. Run up to 8.7 miles per hour and decrease it to just 2.4 miles per hour through using the fatigue slowdown button. These best budget-friendly treadmills are first-rate if you want to gradually down quickly but don't want to deal with the danger and abruptness of truly hitting stop. These best budget-friendly treadmills are a good deal more secure and handy. Track all of your data through both the LED display screen, which is built into the slender center console, or pick out to download the Fit Show app so one can additionally fetch real-time stats for yourself and for recording with buddies. Heartbeat records are likewise to make sure you're jogging to the nice of your competences and push yourself without heading into varying stages. Once you've finished along with your run, you may have speedy and seamlessly folded up and away. Number 3. Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill. The Horizon 7.0 at Treadmill is a great contender inside the runner's treadmill category. It's powerful with a 3.0 chp motor. It's robust, made with a metal frame that may maintain up to 325 pounds. At 6.0, the Going for Walks deck is 5 longer than the housing treadmill, trendy to deal with taller runners and those with longer strides. It additionally has variable cushioning to reduce the effect on knees, ankles, and hips. Simultaneously, runners address an incline up to 15% and paint their way toward the treadmill's top velocity of 12 miles per hour. You have the choice to hook up with Android or Apple devices through Bluetooth, to apply health apps like the unfastened AFG Pro app, record with the aid of Under Armour, and even Fitbit's apps. Further sweetening the deal, Horizon is considered one of few manufacturers is imparting 0% financing on their system. You can choose phrases among 6 months and years to be able to help take the sting off of making your subsequent large fitness buy. One knocks against this treadmill. The display at 7 is small compared to the brand new fashionable screen size in the marketplace.